んにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today we're going to learn vocabularies about transport and the particle de. Well, the particle de we can use in many occasions, but today we're going to learn with transport, like by car, like that, with transport, okay? Then the transport, we say 乗り物 mean 乗り it comes from the verb 乗ります means to ride on, and 乗り物 this 物 it means the thing, so the things that we can ride, that is 乗り物. This is very useful way. For example, 食べます it is to eat something. 食べます then we omit ます食べ and we add 物食べ物 that is food, and 飲みます that is to drink. 飲み物 that is all kind of drinks. 飲み物 but here 乗り物 it comes from the verb 乗ります to ride. So 乗り物 all kind of transport. We're going to learn some vocabularies. The first vocabulary of transportation is 自動車 or 車. That means car. You can use both. 自動車 this is the kanji of 自動車. So this is longer. 自動車 it is like automobile. Then 車 car. 車 the kanji of 車 is the last part. Only this one. It's called, it is written red 車. So 自動車 or 車 that is a car. Now 電車 this 電 it means electricity from 電気 電車 this is train. Oh, sorry, I forgot to say with 自動車. For example, I can make a phrase like 毎日車で仕事へ行きます。毎日車で仕事に行きます。毎日車で仕事に行きます。I go to work, every day I go to work by car. 毎日車で so using a car 車で and 電車 and this one for example 毎日電車で会社へ行きますお会社に行きます毎日電車で会社に行きます会社 the office 毎日電車で I go to my office every day on train 新幹線 this is bullet train. So Japanese people are very proud of Shinkansen because Shinkansen is very fast and clean and almost all the time on time, and it's very important. Shinkansen. For example, 土曜日新幹線で京都に行きます。土曜日新幹線で京都に行きます。or 京都に or 京都へ. Do you remember? That last video it was about に and へ. So you can check it. 土曜日新幹線で京都へ行きます。土曜日新幹線で京都に行きます。The both way. That means on Saturday I am going to Kyoto by 新幹線. The next one, 地下鉄 This 地 this is the land on surface. か this is under the surface. So 地下 you know the basement. 地下鉄 is iron. So 地下鉄 it means subway. Subway is 地下鉄。For example, 昨日友達の家に地下鉄で行きました。Did you understand it? 昨日友達の家に友達の家へ both way is okay. 昨日友達の家へ友達の家に地下鉄で行きました。行きました This is the past tense. I went. So yesterday I went to my friend's house by subway. 昨日友達の家へ地下鉄で行きました。Now, bus, taxi, bus, that is a bus. Taxi, taxi. So it's almost like in English, but we write in katakana because this is the word from English. Bus, taxi. For example, 今朝 this morning. 今朝バスで病院に行きました。今朝バスで病院に行きました。or 病院へ行きました。今朝バスで病院へ行きました。This morning I went to the hospital by bus. or タクシーでホテルに行きました。タクシーでホテルに or ホテルへ行きました。タクシーでホテルへ行きました。or タクシーでホテルに行きました。I went to the hotel by taxi. 飛行機 This is airplane. 飛行機 This comes from the verb 飛びます to fly. こう This is the kanji of 行きます to go 行きます。き This is from the machine. So the machine that goes flying. So this is airplane. 飛行機 For example, 昨日大阪から飛行機で来ました。昨日 yesterday 昨日大阪から from 大阪昨日大阪から飛行機で by airplane 来ました。I came. So昨日 yesterday I came from Osaka by plane. Like that. Then 船 This is ship. 船 This is the ship. Then ferry. Boat. This is boat. So these words are from English, so we write in katakana. Ferry, boat. So today we learned de like bus de by bus, taxi de by taxi, like that. This is how bus de like this. Now, if I want to make you some questions, how did you come? Or in how? By bus or by train? Like that. Nan de. Do you remember nan or nani? That means what? But here with de, we pronounce nan. Nande? Nande 来ましたか? How did you come here? But also this nande in very, very oral way, in friend, between, among the friends, nande? It means, how come? Nande? Why? Also we can use like that. But here in this lesson, we use this nande with transport. Okay? And in that way, we can also use どうやって how どうやって or なんで both way is how どうやって or なんで and in the case if we come on foot we say 歩いて it comes from the verb 歩きます to walk 歩きます And this is 歩いて. This is the form of て. て form of the verbs. That is in the grammar. We still don't know. I didn't explain you yet. But in Japanese verbs, 歩きます. This is ます form. And the て form from 歩きます. That is 歩いて. For now, just you memorize 歩いて. Okay? So if I say 歩いていきます. 歩いていきます. I go on foot. I go walking. 歩いてきました。I came here. Oh, 歩いてきました。I came here on foot. I came here walking. お、歩いて帰りました。I returned on foot. So 歩いて like that. Now it's time for a quiz. Well, in the description below, there is I'm gonna write the answer, but I'd like you to practice, and I would like you to try at first without seeing this solution, okay? And there will be 10 questions. The first 5 is the dictation, and also these are the questions. So you write them in hiragana, katakana, and if you can, using kanji too. Then answer these questions. So it's quite difficult. So you write what you listen. So the dictation and answering them, the first 5. And from 6 to 10, I'm going to tell you in English. So you are like a translator. You must translate into Japanese. Okay? So I think with this, you can develop your listening, Japanese listening and writing, and also conversation skill. The first one, 1番目。毎日なんで会社に行きますか？毎日なんで会社に行きますか？毎日なんで会社に and if you would like, you can write 会社へ or 会社に. Do you remember? I explained about へ and に the last video, so you can check it. 毎日なんで会社へお会社に行きますか？毎日なんで会社に行きますか？ So after writing this dictation, answer it. Depends how you are going. Okay? 2番目。あなたの国から日本まで何で行きますか？あなたの国から日本まで何で行きますか？何で行きますか？あなたの国。Do you remember what is 国？国 is the country. あなたの国から日本まで何で行きますか？ Okay? あなたの国から日本まで何で行きますか？ 3番目。なんでスーパーに行きますか？なんでスーパーに行きますか？お、なんでスーパーへ行きますか？ You can write に or へ。なんでスーパーへ行きますか？なんでスーパーに行きますか？スーパー、スーパーマーケット。なんでスーパーに行きますか？ 4番目。4th。東京から大阪まで何で行きますか？東京から大阪まで何で行きますか？東京から大阪まで何で行きますか？東京から大阪まで何で行きますか？ OK? 5番目。5th。 5番目。歩いて駅に行きますか？歩いて駅へ行きますか？歩いて駅へ駅に行きますか？歩いて駅に行きますか駅へ行きますか？駅 the station. Now that was the first 5. So now the 6th. So I'm going to tell you in English and you must translate it into Japanese. Okay? 6番目。Did you come here on foot? Did you come here on foot? That was 6. Did you come here on foot? 7番目。Yesterday, I went to hospital with my grandpa by car. Yesterday, I went to hospital with my grandpa by car. That was 7番目。8番目。The 8th. 8番目。I'm going to Paris with my friend by airplane. I'm going to Paris with my friend by airplane. 9番目。The 9th. Yesterday, I didn't go to my office by subway. Yesterday, I didn't go to my office by subway. I didn't go, okay? Yesterday, I didn't go to my office by subway. Remember? 10番目。最後です。10番目。We went to a supermarket by car. We went to a supermarket by car. We went to a supermarket by car. Went. So this is the past tense. Okay? Could you do them all? Did you like this video? I think it was very useful for you. If you liked this video, would you please give me a like? That makes me very, very happy. And also, I'm so happy if you give me some comment or message. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. That is so good for me. Okay? ぜひチャンネル登録といいねボタンとコメントお願いします。じゃあまたね。